Hi guys, I'm Megan, or as most of y'all would know me, Lila. And as promised, here is the what it sounds like tutorial video, which is my first ever tutorial video. It's a bit weird that I'm doing like a long form video without whispering, because if some of you know, I have like ASMR videos like singing to sleep, door slam. This is definitely not an ASMR video. Oh well, okay. And yes, so I'm gonna break down what this tutorial is gonna be like. So I'll take us from verse, chorus, bridge, whatever, and then at each point I will be explaining what are the strokes, the like whether it's down, up, and like how many times, and then I won't be putting in diagrams of what the chord looks like. I think that one you can Google on your own. But I will be showing like pictures of my breakdown on when to play down or up. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And then I'll kind of like do a break for you to play the verse, the chorus on your own. Yes. Okay, so let's start with verse 1. Now, disclaimer, there's going to be a lot of background noise because my whole family is awake. Yeah. But I love my family and we just gotta do with... what am I gonna say? We gotta work with what we have. Yes. Okay. First one. I'm gonna be off key. I kind of forgot how to sing this. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words are what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. Okay, so the first part of verse 1 is very simple. It's just downward strokes at every chord change. Okay, so you can pause the video now to play it on your own. Yes. Okay, now for the second part of verse 1. I tried to fix it, I tried to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. Okay, so as shown in the picture, I'm playing downwards, like a downward stroke 3 times before I change the chord again. And it's not like 1 and 2 and 3 and it kind of follows, it's kind of like a disjointed beat. I'm not really sure the theory behind this because I play this intuitively, but that's why I put the downward stroke at when you sing the words instead. So you can pause and you can try that on yourself. Okay, and then now I'm going to play the entire verse 1. Yes. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words are what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I tried to fix it, I tried to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. Okay, and notice the last part, we just play G once. Like we don't strum 3 times. Why do I keep saying stroke or play downwards? The word is strum. Okay, I'm a bit weird. Alright, now the first part of chorus is the same thing as the first part of verse 1 in terms of how you play. It's basically you just strum downwards at every chord change. So I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so if you notice in the picture, I'm not putting the strum symbol on top of any word. And that's because you're strumming it before you sing. So it goes, I broke in, but now I'm, and then A, the scars are, and then F sharp minor. Sorry, it took me a while to decipher what I'm reading. My voice without the lies. Then A will be playing on top of this. So this is what it sounds like. Yep. This song is so nice to sing. I love it. Okay, it was like my most favorite song from K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay, now the second part of the chorus is, once again, you're strumming downwards 3 times before you change the chord again. So I'll just play it once and then you can kind of see the same idea of, if it's on top of like a spacing where there's no word, then you play before you sing. And if it's on top of the word, then you play on that word. So, why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jacket edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so this part I put bracket because you're not supposed to strum at this part. But if you were to, then there would have been a strum. Does that make sense? Yeah, just the point is don't strum at that part. And what was I gonna say? I think, okay, there are some parts where I don't put it, like I put the symbol exactly where you sing it. So if you notice the word, let's say harmony, it doesn't play on ha, it doesn't play on m, but it plays on ni. So that's why I put it directly on top of the letters ny. So I'll find your harmony. Okay, so that's how you read my chord sheet. Yeah, it's quite confusing. I'm so sorry. Maybe in the future I'll figure out a way to make it clearer. Okay, and also the earlier part before that, it showed me what's underneath. I don't put what on top of the W, I put it on top of the H. So that means you kind of play it while you sing it, but you start singing it first. So, show me what's underneath. Okay, that's a bit exaggerated, but if I were to play it in the normal speed, show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Okay? It's just a very slight detail, but it doesn't really make too much of a difference. Okay, and I was also gonna say that when we strum more times before we change chords, it's kind of to build up that excitement and that energy. So when you strum more, is to play with more energy. Yes. Okay, let's play the chorus together. Or you can watch me and then you can pause and play by yourself. Oh yeah, you can pause and play the part 2 now if you want, before I play the chorus. Okay, chorus. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should have let the jacket edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. That song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. I make sure you slow down it. Sounds like. Okay, verse 2. Verse 2 is starting to get more complicated. It's no more single strum before you add every chord change. But it's okay. And it's also a little bit more confusing because it's not always like 3 strums before you change. Sometimes it's like 4. But we'll figure this out together, okay? I promise I will take you through this and I will make sure that you will understand. Okay, so verse 2. Let me split this out into 2 halves again. Okay, I'm gonna play now. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. Okay, as you can see, this part is very confusing because there's a lot of spaces, so that means you play before you sing the word, and that is... whose fault is it? Mine. Just blame it all on me, guys, if you... yes. But I'll make sure you understand. Yes. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, strum, defiant, so at 5, and strum, shouting in, strum, the quiet, your F sharp minor, not alone. Okay, let's play that together. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. Then B minor. We listen to the demons. So before you say mons, oh, sorry, that was a impulsive strum. We let them get between us, but none of us are out. Strum, then you say here, strum, on our own. Okay, let's play you can try playing the first part on your own. Or should I play again? Okay, let's just play again. I don't want you to have to go back and watch me play. Okay. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here on our own. So own, you play G afterwards, and then now it's, yeah, still a little bit complicated. I'm sorry, guys. So strum. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. So it's at verse. The dreamers, the fires, no lying, I'm tired. And then you strum after tired. But dive in the fire, strum. And then you say N. I'll be right here by, strum, before your side. Okay, so make sure you strum those few times before you change to A. Okay, so let me play the second part again. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters, no lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. Okay. Again, I apologize for the strumming pattern. I do this all intuitively. It's it was so difficult to put this down on paper or digitally. Okay, the next chorus, the chorus is really tough. It was really tough to write also. Just cause now there's down, up. Okay, so maybe for some of you it may be easier actually, cause it makes more sense to move up, down, down. Okay, so stroke downwards is down, stroke upwards is up. Okay, I'm just gonna play the chorus and then you can kind of get a sensing of how it's supposed to be like. Okay. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. Oh, I messed up. Pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Okay, that's the first part of the chorus. Let's break it down together, shall we? We up on broke, down on in, to a million pieces, so you chord change, and we can't go back. So can't, it's quite long, so you have to go after you start with k, you have to up at and. I don't know why I'm talking like that. That was so annoying. I'm so sorry. Pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the bro. Remember, it's at bro, oh, the O part. Broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Okay, so sounds like. Oh, okay, sounds like. I don't know, I forgot how to sing it, but basically at ow, because they're dragging it out again, you have to strum up in the middle. Sounds like. Okay, gets? Okay. Actually, me breaking it, singing out like that, I realized that it's actually it's easier. I should have done that from the start. My bad. This is my first time teaching, and this is a one take, so it's not perfect. But one take makes it authentic, right? Okay. Sorry, back on track. Second part of chorus. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our okay, so it goes our head. Get up and let the jagged edges meet the line instead. Notice how I put it as like this, so there's like no spacing in between the strokes, because you have to play it immediately. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me just continue and then I'll play how the second verse is supposed to sound like normally. Oh, sorry. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Okay, so the sounds like part is the same as just now. Okay, I'm gonna play the second part normally. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the eye instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. you can pause and then try playing yourself, and then I will play the chorus once through, the second chorus, and let me just drink some water. That was a very aggressive door opening and door closing. Yeah. Also, can I just talk about, let's take a break, okay? Can I just talk about how much I love this cup? It's from Hong Kong Disneyland. Wow, look at it. It has floating stars. It's a kid's cup and I love it. Don't judge. Okay, let's play the chorus together. This is tough. Teaching is tough. We broke into 1,000,000 pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the eye instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna burp. Ooh. Oh my god, that was so... I'm gonna keep that in because I think it's funny. Wait, excuse me, sorry, I forgot to say excuse me. That was... I'm not a man. Just saying. Not that all men burp like that. I think their burps are better than mine. Yes. Okay, anyways. Let's play the bridge. Okay, the bridge is down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and then you just play B minor, A, F sharp minor, and then you play down, up, down for this is what it sounds like. Okay? This is what it sounds like. Then you play again. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, so that's quite simple, right? Done the bridge. You can pause and play on your own. Okay, then the next chorus is the same as the one before. I'm gonna skip that so that the video won't be so long. And then let's play the outro. Outro is similar to the chorus anyways, so down. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Oh sorry, that was E minor. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like. Okay, notice how I slow down towards the end, and then it's strum down, E minor, strum down, A, strum down, F sharp minor, and strum down, G. How long is this video? 24 minutes! Oh, I was gonna play this song together. Should I just link the video to my other song? I mean, to my first video when I played. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I took up your time. Wow. Apologies. Big apologies. But hopefully this video has been useful. Okay, I don't really have enough time for... Unless this video will be 30 minutes long. Oh, that'd be so annoying. Okay. But anyways, annoying for you to watch because you will have to sit through 30 minutes and that's not fair for you. Yeah, it's not that I'm complaining me. Like, if you were here in person, I wouldn't mind extending, you know, if you wouldn't mind, but I don't know whether you would mind, and now I'm just rambling and now that's making the video even longer. Oh, logic, Megan, logic. Okay, quickly what I want to say. There are parts where you slow down and parts where you speed up. So when you watch my first video, or when I play what it sounds like, which I think most of you have watched already, notice when I slow down and notice when I don't play. Yeah. I think it's very important that you sing it with emotion as well. Okay, my sister's using the sink now. That distracted me. Okay, sing with emotion as well. So really feel the words that you're saying, and then once you practice enough, you'll be able to sing as you play, which is singing as you play is a difficult feat actually. Like, it took me, I started learning when I was ukulele when I was 10, so and now I'm 18, so 8 years. I mean, not of consistent playing, that's why I'm not a pro at ukulele, but I'm saying that it does take time for you to learn how to multitask when you sing and you play. Some people are just naturally gifted, but some of us need more practice, and that's okay. Yeah, everybody's on their own path. Yes, I will link this document into, like, in my description. I'll make it public so that everyone can view it. If you want to make your own copy, go ahead. And if you want to make your own edits on your own copy, go ahead as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna be offended. It did take me like a damn long time to, because I play intuitively, right? So it took me a damn long time to translate what I play into something coherent. But I'm glad with how it turns out. There may be mistakes or discrepancies between my video of what it sounds like cover versus this tutorial, but there's no right way to play it. Basically, it's just my way, and there can be your way as well. So yeah, go crazy. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry that this video is 27 minutes long. I hope it has been a fruitful 27 minutes, and if you have any tips for me on how to improve in teaching, because I'm going to do a tutorial for soda pop, I think. Sorry guys, I've been struggling a lot in school, so that it's taking up a lot of time. Then just let me know in the comments. Yeah.